At some point or other, we all need money. It is a necessity of world life. You should not be a slave of money, but you must understand the importance of money. People are not rich only because they have or because they can buy things. True wealth is defined by the asset you own. You are truly rich when you have something called an asset. Something that works for you, makes money for you, something that appreciates in value. It is working for you even when you are sleeping, because that is when you are not trading your time for money. Like a job, you get paid a salary for the time you give in a month. If you give more time, you may earn more, but it's not possible that in the same month you can earn 3, 4, or 5 times your salary. It's dependent on your time, and that is called trading your time for money. So, here are the 5 assets that can make you rich. Number 1. Owning a business, if it is successful, will make you money even when you're not working. Your team, factory, products, and marketing will still make money for you. If you look at the richest people in the world, they all started their own business. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, all of them started their own business. The richest people all started their own business. It doesn't mean that you will earn if you start a business. Business is a very risky proposition, which means that if it works then it is amazing, but if it doesn't work then you can lose a lot. So yes, it is a good asset, and making it work is your responsibility. Number 2. Owning business through stocks. Not everyone can start their own business, but it is definite that owning a business creates an asset because the business runs 24/7, so it's making money even when you are not putting in your time. So, if you can't start your own business, then you can at least own a business, and the best way to own a business is through stocks. When you buy a share or stocks of a company in the stock market, then basically you are becoming a part of that business. You believe in the business. So when it grows, its stock price will also grow, and then you will become rich. Wealth will be created, but the most important thing is to be long-term investor. Day trading or short-term trading or reacting on tips like buy this or sell this is not investing, that's gambling. Wealth is created when you take long-term bets. One of the richest people in the world, Warren Buffett, if you read or see his life story, you will see that he made all his wealth by investing for the long term. So, if you want to create wealth in the stock market, then have a long-term view at least for March 5, 10 years, ideally 15 to 20 years, and then bet on really strong players, market leaders in the category, because you know that as the market grows, country will grow, the world economy grows, the players who are at number 1 or 2 in the industry, they will also grow, and they will actually be making money. Number 3. Buying commodities. If you can't start a business or you can't own a business through stocks, then you can own something which the world wants, and that is commodities. Gold, silver, mostly gold and silver. When you own these assets, they also increase in value and they make you wealthy, but the big mistake individuals make, when they think of gold, they think of jewelry. Jewelry is not the right investment. If you want to invest in gold and silver, then invest digitally by buying gold bonds or ETFs. Basically, a digital bond is the best way for you to invest in gold or silver or any other commodities. Number 4. Real estate. There is no quick way to make money or get rich in real estate, but you can grow your wealth gradually and consistently by investing correctly. You are probably aware that there are numerous ways to accumulate wealth, but real estate is one of the most effective. Having said that, making money in real estate or profitable investing requires sound guidance, methods, and determination. While investing in real estate is a proven and true method of earning money, it, like any other business, comes with inherent dangers. If done correctly, real estate can be an excellent vehicle for wealth accumulation if you take the time to educate yourself about the process and the best strategies for maximizing profits. 5. Intellectual property. Something that you will have to make only once, but it will make money for life. A great example of that is content. If I am making this video in 2023, then this video keeps getting views in 2024 or a lifetime, and based on that there will be a brand that will be built and ads running on the video. It will give me a lifetime of money. I could write a book or a song or produce content that might be purchased around the world. If you make it once, it will keep earning you royalty or revenue for life. These are brilliant assets. Suppose you are a graphic designer and have made a lot of good graphic designs and put them on the net and sell them. Maybe in the first month no one buys, or it takes a year, but if it is inevitable that someone would buy it in the next 5 to 10 years, and if you release a lot of such design in the market, these 5 ways are the surest way for you to think about getting rich. If you look at any rich person, you will find that they use their maximum time and money in one of these things, if not all 5 things, because they know that their money will grow only when it is invested in an asset. So, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.